Hey everyone, this is Aruna Suresh in Let's Explore Tech channel, and today we are going to explore about ChatGPT. The whole tech world is so hyper about this ChatGPT. Let us explore what is it all about. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by Open Artificial Intelligence. It is trained on a diverse range of internal text and is capable of generating human like text responses to a given prompt. It can be fine tuned for a variety of natural language processing tasks such as language translation, question answering, and text summarization. And additionally, it can be integrated into chatbot and conversational systems to improve their ability to understand and respond to their user input. All you have to do is just ask it a question and it will generate an interesting response based on its conversations with the real people. So don't worry if you ever feel like your conversations are getting too boring. ChatGPT is here to make things more exciting. Come on, let's explore what is ChatGPT and how to go about it. I am just going to explain it. So, now let us see how to use ChatGPT. So, for that, we need to go to Google and type ChatGPT and then just click on the first option available. It will take you to the ChatGPT and the interface will look somewhat like this. And you have a button over here, try ChatGPT. Just click on that and you will be taken to this interface of ChatGPT. Now, as I'm already having an account, as I have signed up, this will be visible to me. Otherwise, for a new user, it will ask you to sign up or else sign in using your Gmail account. So, the easiest way to log in is using your Gmail account. So you will be taken to this page. Now it has some examples shown over here, example questions shown over here, and it also says what are the capabilities of ChatGPT. It actually remembers what the user said in a conversation. It allows user to provide follow-up corrections also. It also helps to train it is also trained to decline inappropriate requests. It has certain limitations, such as it may occasionally generate incorrect informations and harmful instructions, and it has some limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. So you have one option at the left hand top corner, new chat. When we click that, a new box will be open to type the questions, and you have the options of clear conversations. You have entered some 5 questions and got the answers, and if you want to clear them, you can click here and clear the conversations. And you have an option to go for light mode and dark mode by clicking here. And then it has open artificial intelligence Discord area where you can go there and check. And then it also has updates and FAQs related with the chat GPT. You can check that out. And finally, you can log out using the button given at the last. Now let us check some questions. Let me ask what is algebra, whether it is having any answer. What is algebra? I have typed here. Let me check. It is giving me answer. Yeah, it's giving a very correct answer. It's a branch of mathematics that deals with mathematical equations and their properties, and it's giving an elaborate explanation. Now this is a direct question. Shall we ask a question to solve a solution? I have a question here. Let us see whether this is able to solve the question. See, it is giving explanation. and it is also giving the steps also, and I hope it will solve the solutions also. See, it's giving a beautiful solution step by step, and if you want to stop generating, you have a box over here to stop it, and you can, when it is completed, it will ask you whether you want to regenerate response. For example, in some cases, if you're not satisfied with the response, you can always click regenerate response and get another response also. See, this is actually a wonderful tool for content writing people, and also for any other person who needs support in writing content. Now, there is a big debate going around that whether this should be used by students, whether this will hamper the academic system, whether this will hamper the education system. So, I'll be sharing another video with all these details. So, as of now, that's all from my desk, and thank you for watching.